Today we're working in the flower bed, trying to make the lot look a little prettier. We're going to cut down this crepe myrtle right here, cut her down to the ground, and we're going to fix this flower bed. We're trying to make a better appearance here. Y'all come see us. If you need any questions about flowers, this lady here's got all the answers. She's good at it. We got plants for sale. Y'all don't forget about that. We're going to plant this up and show you what they look like when they bloom. Miss Green Thumb over there. I'm a whacking on this over here. We working at it. You'll never meet two harder working women than we are. Two harder working women. I just got through cutting that tree down, so I'm a little red in the face, I'm a little out of breath. But anyway, we'll take a look at it and see what it looks like. We're hot, we're sweaty, my face is red. All right, that's her cut down. It looks a lot different. We still got to get up the brush. There goes an old car. What was that? A cougar or something. Never know what you'll see. But anyway, we got the tree cut down. Now we're going to work on this a little bit. Alright, we got the mulch spread. We got flowers planted. Did all of the work ourselves. So, cheap labor. Cheap labor. Karen works cheap.
Don't work for Tracy, she'll kill you.
Yeah, that's what they all say. Says she points that finger a lot. But anyway, there it is. Yes, my mother-in-law loves me, and I love her too. We have a good relationship. But there it is. It looks good. It looks nice. Come see us. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. We're out here 9:30 to 5, Monday through Friday. Call for an appointment if we're not during that same time.